Or what?
Guys, sa videong ito ay mai-share ako sa inyo na bagong online job online website, website na pwede po kayong maka-apply ng bagong trabaho. So, relax lang po kayo at tapusin niyo po ang video. Guys, dito po ay makakakita po kayo ng maraming trabaho po. At meron po silang application, install the job street application, and then all you have to do is register your email or Gmail. So, let's click continue. Ano ba ang posibleng mga trabaho ang na hiring dito? So, ayan. So, ang mga job na hiring po dito ay local account home appliances sales graduates are welcome to apply. So, kung magsa-search po kayo ng work from home, so you can search here, work from home job. Okay, work from home. And then, yan. So, sandali lang, naglo-loading. So, ito work from home Freedom Greek. Metro Manila, 32,000 to 48,000 per month. Remote staff, bilingual appointment setter, remote staff, and learning content writer. So, junior instructional designer work from home. So, 25,000 to 30,000 per month. And then virtual assistant account admin, remote staff ins. So, 15,000 to 20,000 per month. So, this is appointment setter work from home, a virtual BPO, Davao City, Davao del Sur. Work from home part-time agent, appointment setter work from home, executive assistant work from home, part-time job hiring sales agent work from home. So, madami pang mga trabaho dito, katulad ng graphic designer, work from home part-time insurance agent, hiring ASL teacher work from home, administrative assistant up to 40K work from home, free AI certification. So, madaming mga kumpanya na nag-o-offer ng mga AI certification kasi yun naman yung uso ngayon eh. So, work from home sales position, no experience needed. Appointment setter, work from home virtual BPO. And work from home part-time insurance agent, no experience needed. So, let's click work from home. Maghanap tayo ng iba. Yung virtual assistant. So, ano yung mga qualification nila? Saan ba yan? Okay, virtual BPO. Sige, try natin ano yung mga qualification nila. Kickstart your career remote appointment setter. Okay, sorry. Kickstart your career. So, nag-ano siya. So, meron siyang application. Okay, you can continue, click, and install the application. So, dito po, madami po tayong mga job na makikita. Nag-install pa siya. Pasensya na po. Kasi, in-install ko to dati. Kasi, puno na yung cellphone ko. So if you want further information about this, you can install this application now. So available po ito sa Play Store. And as of now, kasi medyo mahina yung aking internet connection. And hindi ko pa ma-explain sa inyo yung mga qualification ng trabaho. But you can search your own para mas maintindihan nyo pa. So don't forget to like and subscribe sa akin channel. Thank you.